everyone, welcome to our sharing on storytelling techniques. I'm Mardhiah, a librarian with the National Library Board. I'm glad you can join us today. Storytelling is a great way of bonding with children. It sparks their imagination by introducing them to new ideas and concepts. It also helps them to make sense of their surroundings. Storytelling develops early literacy skills in children too. They learn new words, their pronunciation, and how to describe things around them. There are many ways to make storytelling fun and interactive. You can use hand puppets, act out the story, sing, or use silly voices for different characters. Today, I'll be demonstrating a storytelling technique called Draw and Tell. Draw and Tell stories are fun for children. All you need are a piece of paper and a marker. The first story is about a boy named Jack. He found something shiny and swirly in his garden. Was it a pebble? Or was it something else? Can you guess what it is? Let's find out. One bright sunny day, Jack was wandering around the garden. As he was wandering around, he stumbled on a pebble. Ouch! He picked up the pebble and started admiring it. It was shiny and swirly. Wow! Do you think it was a special pebble? He thought it was a pebble until he saw a seedling sprouting out. First one, then another. What do you think this could be? Suddenly, they opened and he realized he was staring into a pair of eyes. This was no pebble. Can you guess what he found? Yes, it was a snail. Let's draw our second story. This story is about two brothers, Peter and Jack, who were out at night. What they thought were shooting stars turned out to be something completely different. Watch the story to find out what the two brothers saw. Are you ready? It was nighttime and a crescent moon hung high in the sky. Peter and Jack decided to go stargazing at a nearby field. They laid their picnic mats down side by side. Then, they took out the shiny new telescope that Mommy had bought for them. They lay down comfortably on their mats and took turns peering through the telescope. Look! Look! To your right! What is that? Oh, it's a shooting star! Peter pointed excitedly to the right. And seconds later, Jack said, Peter, look! There's another shooting star on the left! Today must be our lucky day! Both boys looked up and admired the star-speckled sky. Just then, they heard hoot, 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 hoot. They realized that what they saw were not shooting stars. Can you guess what it was? It was an owl flying towards them. Next, Hussain will be showing you another storytelling method.
Hi everyone, I'm Hussain, a librarian with the National Library Board. You know, when children listen to stories, they are also working on their listening and comprehension skills. Now there's so many ways to make storytelling fun and interactive. I will be sharing a story with you using the fold and tell technique. Now you might have seen or heard of this technique before, but I've prepared an original story especially for you. You will need a piece of paper just like this. Here we go. It is a beautiful and sunny Sunday morning, and Kaden is taking a walk in the park. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping, and there's a gentle breeze. Kaden takes a deep breath and says, "What a beautiful morning!" Suddenly, he hears a very faint voice calling for help. "Help me, help me, help me!" Kaden looks up and down, left and right, but there's nothing there. The voice grows louder and louder. Could the voice be coming from under this pile of leaves? He wonders as he moves the pile to one side. There's nothing there. He looks through it, the other side of the pile. He kneels down and digs through the center of the pile. Still, there is nothing. The voice is getting louder and louder. "Help me, help me, help me!" Kaden tells himself, "I'm sure it is nearby." Maybe the voice is coming from under this pile of sticks. What do you think could be underneath it? And so he pushes the sticks aside. And he pushes and pushes and pushes. And what does he find? It's a little snail. "Hi there, little snail. What are you doing under this pile of sticks?" "Oh, I was looking for food when some naughty children trapped me under this pile of sticks. Thank you for helping me," says the snail. "Well, I'm happy to help a little friend," says Kaden. The snail trills along, singing its happy song. And now here are the steps to make your own little snail. Step 1. Cut a strip of paper along the length of an A4 size construction paper. We recommend a width of 4 cm. Step 2. Tear approximately 3 cm down one side of the paper strip. Step 3. Tear approximately 3 cm down the other side of the paper strip. Step 4. Roll down the middle strip. Step 5. From the bottom of the feelers, fold approximately 4 cm of the paper such that it can stand. Step 6. Roll the end of the paper strip inwards until it forms a spiral. And there you have it, your own little snail. I hope you enjoyed the stories that we shared. Try them out with your children and have fun. Thank you for watching.